In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Etoro to Tradingview in 2025, providing a full tutorial that makes this process simple and straightforward. Let's get started by navigating to Etoro's platform. As many of you might know, Etoro is a versatile trading platform, popular for its wide range of stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs, making it a one-stop destination for many investors. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Etoro's official website. You'll find a variety of options on Etoro, which can seem overwhelming at first. But don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the Login section. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your personal dashboard on Etoro. This is the section where you manage your trades, explore new assets, and connect with the trading community. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, which is a fairly simple process, guided by Etoro's user-friendly interface. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Etoro homepage, which serves as your primary hub to access all features that Etoro offers. From here, you want to focus on the Discover option in the menu. Clicking Discover will open up a myriad of assets you can explore and potentially trade. This section is designed to give you insights into various market trends, making it an excellent resource for identifying promising trading opportunities. Now, it's time to find the specific asset you're interested in trading. Whether it's a particular stock, cryptocurrency, or ETF you're eyeing, you have a wide array of assets at your disposal. Simply navigate through the options or use the search function for a more targeted approach to locate your asset of choice. Once you've found it, the next step is to click on Trade. The Trade option is your gateway to finalize transactions and start trading. This will take you to a new page with several trading options tailored to that asset, providing you with detailed information and customizable settings for executing trades according to your preferences. But before you proceed with any transactions, let's take a closer look at technical analysis through the charts. Click on Chart. This is where Tradingview comes in. The integration allows you to view comprehensive charts powered by Tradingview, known for their detailed technical analysis tools and graphical representations. Here you can analyze patterns, watch for market signals, and employ a host of technical indicators to inform your trading decisions. Taking the time to study these charts can enhance your strategies and potentially increase your chances for successful trades. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide on connecting Etoro to Tradingview in 2025. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in navigating and maximizing your experience with these platforms. Feel free to explore further and happy trading!